Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error. This is profile not deleted completely. Error, the directory is not empty. So this would normally occur if you're trying to delete a domain profile and you come across this issue. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start by opening up the Start menu, type in System Properties. You want to go ahead and select About Your PC. And then on the right panel, you want to select, if you scroll down here, and then you want to go scroll down near the bottom where it says Advanced System Settings and go ahead and open that up. Underneath User Profiles, Desktop Settings related to your sign-in, select the Settings button. And then if you see any additional profiles in here, specifically if it says Account Unknown, you want to go ahead and just right click and delete that profile. Again, specifically Account Unknown, you would delete it from this list. You should just select it and then select the delete button. So that should hopefully resolve the problem here, guys. Something else you can do here too, if you close out of here, would be to open up the Start menu, type in Services, go ahead and open up the Service app, and go down to the Windows Search service and double click on it. You want to go stop the service and then start it again, and make sure startup type is set to automatic delayed start. Select apply and OK. Close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully your error message should be no more. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.